Hey SalesTowners! Welcome back and thanks for joining us. When we create an action plan to develop a process, it goes through several steps from start to finish. Similarly, the sales process of any organization also goes through several stages of the sales cycle, which starts with receiving the leads to closing the deal. In this cycle, leads go through various stages in a pipeline. SalesTown CRM, the pipeline is a great way to see all the different stages that lead go through. This overview can help you track your potential customers from start to finish. In order to close deals faster and generate more revenue, it can be done with two different but easy methods, so let's see how to do it. The first method is drag and drop. For that, open Workboard by login into SalesTown. Press and hold the lead whose stage you want to change, and drop it under the required stage column and it's done. Or you can use the other method. For that, go to the lead detail view of a particular lead. As every organization has different lead stages predefined, so just simply click on the stage of the pipeline you need to change. This will simply change the stage of lead on your workboard for a particular pipeline. More stage changes mean more work and more follow-ups with your clients, which means eventually more sales. We hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions regarding SalesTown CRM, feel free to post in the comment section of this video. Please press a like button, subscribe to SalesTown, and hit a bell icon to keep yourself updated with our next tutorial video. Thank you for watching and happy selling!